had to go completely through the wiring system on this. Had to fix one of the wheels and tires, had to weld it up. Power steering, the PTO, seal and bearing retainer. And like I said, the electrical system was, nothing worked on it. And they had like a, I'm not going to say jury rig, but a rig of necessity to get it started. But we went through the whole thing. And so if I haven't responded to your comments on some of my videos, I'm very sorry. I apologize. I've been very busy. And people that's got these things, this little fellow here was kind of neglected. It was used at a factory site. And kind of neglected. We had to go through a lot of it, and like I said, it was somewhat abused, probably not by the owner, but by somebody else. So he wants to get it up and going, bush hogging, stuff like that, because he's got a lawn care service. So we were kind of in a hurry to get that done. I was trying to get back with y'all as much as I could. I sent out a lot of letters today to a lot of y'all, and I sent the engine out to Mr. Eric Small today. So I've been busy. I really have. And we're about ready to get this thing backed out of here, get this mess cleaned up on it, the tools put up, and then get the cab on it. And then I got to talk to him about whether we're going to, the oil pan's got a big dent in it. I'm sure he's going to want to change the oil and do a full service on it. Got to find out first. So that's what's going on, and whenever this gets done, and down the road, we're going to be building a new bike for the Minarelli, because I'm afraid my other bike has got some more cracks in it than the San Andreas Fault. The frame is not probably designed for what we've been putting through. So I haven't really decided, but I want a nice one. Gemini rims, a nice tank frame, something like that, you know. So that's coming up, and might even take that bike there and weld up all the stuff at the bottom and a nice flat piece of aluminum on it and what have you to stiffen it up and gusset it up and all that, and put a 4-stroke motor on it. I don't know. I hate to just throw it away, but it's not a speed bike anymore. It's a not a smart bike to go fast on. So thank you very much for y'all's patience. Trying to get this stuff done for this man, and trying to stay active in YouTube too. And I'm going to continue to stay active in YouTube. So that's it. We got all the gauges working. We got some few other things on here I want to try to fix. But right now I'm going to back it out of here because I had to work on the brakes too. I'm going to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your patience. And I sent out 12 letters today, and I'll probably be sending some more out tomorrow. This is what I got done this morning, what little time I had. So y'all hang in there and ride safe. That's the new bike challenge this year, if you didn't know it, and it runs all this year, and it's ride safe. No crashes, no wrecks, please. Some of y'all out there are tough. That's all I can say. Y'all hang in there. We got plenty coming.